Hello guys, this is Shyam. Welcome back to Bunny the Trades. Today is 16th of December and I'll walk you through like how I traded today, what's the outcome of the trade which I traded today, and how was market reacted. Today was Nifty expiry, I guess. It's Tuesday because I don't trade in options as of now. So I trade in stocks using Tradefinder. So I use Tradefinder uh, for picking up my stocks and all. Those who follows me, they know like what I'm trying to say here. And today was one of the red day. Also, if you see, this is my continuous PNL. This I show you every time so that I can be very transparent with you guys. And your comment also make me motivated to keep me motivated to show my PNL and everything very transparently. So let me refresh it once and show you guys. Till today, you can see like out of 11 trading days, we have 3 red days, and it was continuous green coming around. Yesterday also we closed up at 4400. Till now we are up around 17k, which is around 13 to 14% of the total capital. I'll show you the capital as well. If you see, the total capital is around 1.3 lakhs, which comes around 13 percentage return till 16th of December. So it's not even a complete month, and we are more than 13% up for December. Also, if you see, I was expecting kind of a red day today, and we get it. If you see here, today I closed up for KFin Tech. So I choose this KFin Tech for trading and for intraday stock trade. And today we ended up at red of 930 rupees because I'll show you guys what happened actually. If you see, Nifty was negative. I created a short trade only. I have shorted this KFin Tech. But if you see here, right, Nifty was in complete 100 points range for the complete day, and it was a choppy movement. Like sometimes it goes 70 points down and 50 points up, then down, then up, then down, then up. This kind of market always, chop the stop loss. It's only good for option seller. So the option seller are the only ones who traded and who made the money today, I guess. Apart from that, if you see the PNL, we are good. We are in good shape. Like continuous red days will also not affect our PNL. So this is fine. Now coming to the trade finder, right? So I use trade finder here, and if you see KFin Tech, we got a signal at around 10, and we got only 0.4% down move after we got the signal. And so this is not the outcome or target which I target every time, like which I want every time. So it's more than 0.7, 0.8% movement I want in a particular stock. So if you see the KFin Tech, right, let me show you guys. So it's not like that. This is how the trade look likes. So at this point, I have taken the trade, and it showed me a good amount of loss. Initially it's like 1000 something, then I saw a profit of around 1700. Then I moved the stop loss to here, and my trailing stop loss got hit, and we ended up at 930 rupees of loss, which is very minor, and which is almost 1 by 4th of my single day profit. So that is fine. So here it will impact around 1200 rupees. So we'll be up, including today's BNL, will be up around 16,200. And why I traded KFin Tech, I always tell you, there are many people who comment down like, should we buy Tradefinder, and it will tell us like, um just give me a second. Yeah. So it's like, should we buy Tradefinder, and will Tradefinder help us to generate this kind of PNL which I am currently showing you guys? So it's not like that. It's always the thing. It will give you more than, if you see here, right? Let me short it out. So within this 925 time, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It's almost within 10 minutes, it's almost showing you more than 50, 60 stocks. From those 50, 60 stocks, you have to pick one of the stock. It's not like helping you at all. It's just earlier I used to scan down all the stocks, like 200 stocks in my list. But now if you see, I have like around 20-30 stocks because of Tradefinder. That's it. So my list got smaller. My list, which I have trade, that got smaller because of Tradefinder, nothing else. It's not like this is the ultimate premium tool or it's the ultimate tool. It can be done by any free scanner as well, but I prefer to choose this because I purchased it. So I think it's fine for me. So today's 9:30 ended up at a trade. I think that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my live trades.